Bonjour! Welcome. Renting in Quebec? Here's what you need to know to stay protected and informed as a tenant. This video will inform prospective tenants on the law in Quebec, on signing of lease and their rights and obligations as tenants. This video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute legal advice. For advice specific to your situation, please consult a qualified legal professional or contact the Tribunal Administratif du Logement, TL, in Quebec. First things first. Every rental agreement in Quebec must be in writing, using the official lease form from the government. A lease is a contract concluded between a lessor and a lessee that defines their respective commitments concerning a dwelling. In case of a verbal lease, the lessor must give the lessee a form in writing within 10 days of the agreement. This form is sold at the offices of the Tribunal Administratif du Logement. This form includes rent, rules, dates, and must be signed by both you and the landlord. The lease forms are on sale at offices of the Tribunal Administratif du Logement, in bookstores and through Publications du Québec. The lease form can also be purchased online on the website of Publications du Québec. In Quebec, landlords can't ask for a security deposit. Landlord cannot charge additional amounts in the form of a security deposit or other charge, such as a key deposit, damage deposit. Rent is usually due on the first of the month. The landlord cannot require the payment of more than 1 month's rent. Landlord cannot require post-dated checks. The landlord cannot require the payment of rent in advance for more than the first payment period, maximum of 1 month. Late, the landlord must go through the TAL to resolve it. Your rent can only go up once every 12 months. At the time of the renewal of the lease, a lessor is free to ask a rent increase that he deems just and reasonable in his notice that he remits to his lessee. The lessee has the right to accept or to refuse that increase within 1 month following the receipt of the lessor's notice. In order to help the parties in reaching an agreement on the rent increase, the tribunal puts at their disposal an online calculation tool, in French only, of the rent increase, which is done by using the rules established in the regulation respecting the criteria for the fixing of rent. This hyperlink will open in a new window that is in force at the Tribunal Administratif du Logement. Landlords must keep your apartment safe and livable. That means heat, water, and repairs. Tenants, keep it clean and don't cause damage. It's only allowed in specific cases, domestic violence, needing care, or subsidized housing. Otherwise, you can transfer the lease to someone else. It's called a lease transfer. The landlord can only refuse with good reason. In Quebec, July 1st is the big moving day. Start early, plan well. Quebec has strong laws to protect you as a tenant. Read your lease, respect the rules, and if you need help, visit the Tribunal Administratif du Logement. Bonne chance and happy apartment hunting.